Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 American Coach Eagle, priced at $1,040,000, epitomizes elegance and innovation in the premium motorhome sector. This is not simply an RV, it is a painstakingly engineered mobile domicile intended for individuals who seek the pinnacle of comfort, technology, and refined travel. Every aspect of the Eagle is designed to provide an exceptional living experience, integrating superior residential amenities with the durability necessary for long-distance travel. The exterior of the 2026 American Coach Eagle exemplifies refined design and exceptional craftsmanship. The design includes a comprehensive paint scheme that is aesthetically impressive and exceptionally resilient, perhaps utilizing several layers of high-gloss clear coat for a reflective sheen. The aerodynamic curves serve not just aesthetic purposes but also enhance fuel efficiency and reduce noise levels during operation. Constructed on a robust, bespoke chassis, either a Prevost or a proprietary American Coach framework, it guarantees a solid, smooth, and powerful driving experience. Anticipate sophisticated independent front and rear suspension systems featuring automated leveling functions, delivering a ride quality comparable to luxury vehicles. The incorporation of utility connections, storage units, and awnings is seamless, preserving the coach's elegant, refined contours. High-intensity LED illumination improves visibility and safety. The interior of the Eagle exemplifies its $1,040,000 valuation. Upon entry, one encounters a spacious, open-concept living area, distinguished by ample natural light and thoughtfully arranged living spaces. Premium materials are prominently featured, including handcrafted oak cabinetry, likely in luxurious walnut or cherry finishes, paired with solid surface counters, such as Corian or quartz, in the galley and bathrooms. The flooring may consist of polished porcelain tile in high-traffic zones and plush carpeting in the living room and bedrooms for enhanced comfort. The galley is a chef's paradise, with premium residential-grade amenities, such as a spacious French door refrigerator, a convection microwave, an induction cooktop, and a dishwasher. Generous counter space and meticulously crafted cabinetry offer extensive storage for culinary requirements. The living area is a sanctuary of comfort, equipped with luxurious sofa sleepers, ergonomic recliners, and a large-screen smart television complemented by a high-quality sound system. A designated eating area, typically featuring a booth dinette or a standalone table and chairs, provides a cozy environment for meals. The master suite serves as a private retreat, generally equipped with a king-sized bed boasting a high-quality mattress, substantial storage space, frequently cedar-lined, and an individual entertainment system. The en-suite bathroom compares well to a luxury hotel, featuring a big glass-enclosed shower, 2 vanities, premium fixtures, and a full-sized toilet. The 2026 Eagle is equipped with state-of-the-art technologies. A sophisticated central control system, accessible through touchscreens or a mobile application, regulates lighting, climate control, often with numerous zones, entertainment systems, and security. The sophisticated climate management system includes dual-zone residential-style air conditioning and heating units. High-speed internet access and extensive entertainment packages are regular offerings. Anticipate a powerful diesel generator, substantial lithium battery banks, and a huge solar panel array, guaranteeing prolonged self-sufficiency. Advanced driver assistance features, including as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree video system, improve safety and driving comfort. In summary, the 2026 American Coach Eagle, priced at $1,040,000, transcends the definition of a motorhome. It epitomizes supreme luxury, designed for individuals desiring an unparalleled travel experience. It merges superior residential amenities with exceptional performance and cutting-edge technology, presenting a mobile estate that reinterprets the concept of home on the road.